All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the shop today. Got the Scoob in the background behind me here. Today, we are installing the Killer Bee Holy headers and up pipe. I'm so excited to be doing that. We're going to be placing some O2 sensors as well, and an AF sensor. I'm really pumped to be doing that. They're the Swaintech coated ones. Going equal length headers, you know, that's the way to go on these things, especially if you want to keep them alive and put some more power down, which is what we're doing. Yeah, we're back. Hope you guys have been enjoying the content I've been putting out. I've been doing my best to make it somewhat interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna go find the box. It's hiding around here somewhere, and I'm gonna go show you guys an unboxing. Oh, all right, there we go. That is the Killer Bee Holy headers, boys. Oh my goodness, these things look absolutely freaking crazy. And then here we are. This is the up pipe. It is V-band, so this really only works with this up pipe, unless you have, I guess, another V-band, or sorry, this only works with this header unless I guess you have another V-band type of up pipe. A reason I went with this one is I got it with this on a really good deal. I got it supplied to me by SubbieSupplyCo with the goats. It was cheaper for me to get the package deal for both of them. I got it for the same price, so instead of paying like 3,000 bucks, I think I only ended up paying 2,500 for the swing coat as well for both the up pipe and the headers. It was overall just a better deal at the time. I'm not going external wastegate, so I'm not too worried because this doesn't have an external wastegate port. Yeah, but these look absolutely stellar. So pumped to put them on the car. I'm gonna put this thing up on the jack, and yeah, it's gonna be an episode. So right now, getting off the skid plate here, and there she comes. So this is the manifold here. That's the stock one. It's got a bunch of heat shielding on it. Goes up into there. It's kind of what the underneath of the car looks like. Gotta take off that silver thing. That's the stock exhaust manifold. And then you're throwing on these bad boys. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. There's nothing much better than a pair of Killer Bee Swaintech coated headers, man. They are top of the line, the best you can get. I wouldn't go with any other brand. So what we're doing right now is basically I'm undoing the turbo bolts. I don't know how well you can see it. I got 2 undone. I think that's the last one, the third one right there. Yeah, it's a little hard to see. Yeah, other than that, we got some of the heat shield coming off here of the headers. It's looking pretty good so far. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the downpipe out. One thing I want to point out with you guys, when you're undoing the downpipe to the exhaust here, make sure you don't forget to do this little guy here. It's the actual, ow, just hit my head on the car. It's the actual exhaust hanger piece. All right, so what we're doing now is we're taking out the front AF sensor. The manifold's pretty loose. That's just the only part we kind of got to get out. We're gonna replace it anyways, so that's what we're working on right now. And if you ever have to change these, it's pretty easy to do. This little thing here, that's pretty much it. You just unclip it, and yeah. I'm gonna go on a whim here and say this is why my AF ratios were, was it my correction or my learning? I think it was my correction. This right here is what I'm gonna say was causing my -25 plus 25 issue. This is a bad one right here. See, this is a really bad one. That's a brand new one. See, gold or bronze? Bronze looking? I don't know. Come on, focus. 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 I'm gonna say that's why I was running so lean. Look at those. Those are indeed what I would call some cooked head gaskets. Just come right off of there. So you gotta clean that residue off before you install new up pipes, but those are the old ones. They're still pretty warm. So got the intercooler off again, and the throttle body couplers off. The reason why I will show you guys. So if you actually look here, we have the old Cobb V1 heat shield. This has to actually come off because there's a couple bolts underneath you gotta reach to hit the up pipe. So yeah, this came off again. Woo! So yeah, put some of that in there just to, you know, make sure nothing gets on the throttle body coupler, or I guess the throttle body. But yeah, there's 3 bolts on the heat shield. It's pretty loose right now, got it coming off. I was actually looking here, and usually you'll see oil in here, and that's why people run AOS's. There's actually like none in mine, which is kind of a good thing. And that is your heat shield off the turbo. Oh, it's just hanging on by the studs. Only thing we gotta do is this O2 sensor right here. That's the rear one for the downpipe. We're gonna be replacing that, so we gotta pull that. Oh, got the downpipe out now. That's what this is here. Yeah, gonna pull the O2, I guess, out there. That is your Cobb V1 downpipe though. And then, yes, while we can, that is the turbo. And then we'll unbolt the up pipe there and slide in the Killer Bee. Alright guys, so if you want to see what a rear O2 sensor looks like when it's pulled out of the old Cobb exhaust, that is it. It is pretty charcoal black. came out of here, and yeah, that thing is definitely what I would consider scorched by all means. All right, so now the hardest part about all this is basically the bolts that hold on the up pipe from the top of the turbo. They're a bit seized, they're a little rusted, so I'm doing my best to get these off. The stepdad went to grab a coffee because he's a little tired, so I'm doing my best to get at these. And let's see if I can get, I got one out that was seized, so we got two out. Oh my God, I think I got it. So yeah, pretty much now we got 4 bolts out. There's only one more to go because there's 5 that hold up the up pipe. We're just working on the other one here. Craig here is getting in there with it. My arms are taking a break because I just did this for 15 minutes. Boom. And that's the last one coming out right now. Let's go. Boom. That's 5 out. So now we got to put down the up pipe. Here. They're doing the cross brace. There we go. Boom! She's out. That is a stock up pipe, guys. Yeah. This thing's fucking bulky. It sucks compared to the damn Killer B1. We didn't buy new head studs, so basically we're torching them out of the old header. I guess the old up pipe. Now what I'm gonna do is grab this fucking cloth, brake cleaner, and we're gonna go over to the car. And we're just gonna spray off the excess exhaust residue on here. So we're just gonna spray that off, wipe it off, get all the excess gasket residue off. And yeah, that's pretty much all you gotta do there. You know, just clean it up a bit. I think it's just good for the engine and, you know, the new mounting and all that. Got it?
You can let go now.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. That's phase 1. So we got Faction Fab gaskets now. Shout out to them for supplying these. Yeah, basically we're just gonna put a little bit of exhaust lube, or not exhaust lube, but exhaust concrete, whatever you want to call it, just to make sure they stay in place. All right, let's go. Remember, we got to feed the O2 as well. Help.
You're gonna want to guide it and put your phone down for a second.
So I don't know if you guys can see it, but right kind of in behind the header here, it's really hard to see. Okay, so basically part of the engine mount is interfering with the stud, so we got to kind of bend it out of place. Any more, maybe? Boom, that should be it, eh?
Uh-huh.
Boom. That is up pipe installed, manifold connected. Now we just got to retorque the bottom side. So, headers are installed. New air fuel sensors in there. Just got to plug it in up top. And then, yeah, we'll be pretty rocking once we torque everything down and put the intercooler back in. All right, so now just went in there, put in a fresh gasket. About to get that downpipe put in again. Put the new O2 in there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And now we're just bolting on the turbo heat shield again. Yeah, just need a couple 10 mils to do that, and then we just gotta throw the intercooler on, and God knows how the first cold start's gonna go. All right, guys, well, it is almost midnight. It is 28 minutes to midnight, and we're finally done. Definitely took a little bit longer than I expected. I think we were both just kind of confused on a few things. A couple things weren't matching up right, but we figured it all out. Got the car all assembled and stuff. New AF sensors and stuff. Wait, we didn't plug it in. Yo, we didn't plug it in. All right, well, thank God I caught that last second. It is plugged in. We're good now. That was almost close. That's fine. anyways, I think that's where we're gonna end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again to my stepdad Craig here. Appreciate him helping me with this whole build so far. We got more to come. I'm gonna end it here. I gotta drive home. I'll get exhaust clips another time. I just wanted to get the cold start, but I gotta get home. It's midnight. I got a dog to take care of. Yeah, so thanks for watching. It's been your boy Fish. If you guys liked the video, drop a thumbs up. If you didn't, drop a comment on why. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Take care.